Rovie, and now we will going to discuss about the IPA symbols in phonology, vowels and consonant sounds. What are the IPA symbols in phonology? IPA stands for International Phonetic Alphabet, a system of symbols used to present the sound of spoken language. In phonology, which is the study of how sounds in a particular language or languages. So, there are two main types of sounds in IPA. First is vowel sounds. These are sounds without breaking airflow. So first we had long high front vowel. We had a long E. Sounds like in a sit. And the next one, mid front vowel. Sounds like bed. Next one is low front vowel. Sounds like in a cat. And now let's proceed to the mid central vowel. Mid central vowel sounds like sounds like cup. And then long low back vowel sounds like sounds like car. And then short low back vowel. Short low back vowel is a short o. Sounds like hot. And then long mid back vowel. Sounds like la. And then short high back vowel is a short book. The next one is long high back vowel. Long sounds like food. And the next one is unstressed central vowel. Soft sounds like about. And the last one is long central vowel. Long ear. Sounds like bird. And now let's proceed to the consonant sounds made by obstructing airflow. There are 26 consonant letters, and each represents one or more sounds. First is voiceless stops. So, pa. Sounds like pa. Pen. Second is voice stop. Pa. Sounds like bat. And the next one is voiceless stop. Sounds like top. And the next one is voice stop. Sounds like dog. Is voiceless stop. Sounds like cat. And next is voice stop. Sounds like go. The next one is voiceless fricative. Sounds like fish. And the next one is voice fricative. voice version of sounds like van, van, van. And next is voiceless fricative. Sounds like think, think, think. And the next is voice fricative. Sounds like this, this, this. Next is voiceless fricative. Sounds like sun, sun, sun. Next is voice fricative. Z, z, z. Sounds like zoo, zoo, zoo. Next is voiceless fricative. Shh, shh, shh. Sounds like shoe, shoe, shoe. And the next is voice fricative. Z, z, z. Sounds like measure, measure, measure. And the next is voiceless glottal, which is breath sound. Sounds like hat, hat, hat. And the next is lips closed, which is sounds like man, man, man. Next is tongue behind the teeth. Sounds like net, net, net. Next is back of tongue raised. Sounds like sing, sing, sing. And the next one is tongue touches roof of mouth. Sounds like lip, lip. And the next one is tongue curls slightly. It sounds like red, red, red. And the next one is approximate yeah, yeah, yeah. It sounds like yes, yes, yes. And the next is lips rounded. Wah, wah, wah. It sounds like wet, wet, wet. The next is voiceless affricate. Ch, ch, ch. Sounds like chip, chip, chip. Next is voiced affricate. J, j, j. Sounds like jump, jump, jump. Next is glottal stop. For example, battle, battle, battle. And the last one is flap sound. Example, the word better, American English. If we translate that in IPA symbols, we can pronounce it better, better, better. It means vowels and consonants are the building blocks of spoken language. Vowels are produced with an open vocal tract, while consonants involve some form of airflow restriction. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.